Hello and welcome to another Prime demo. Today we're looking at Milwaukee's M18 Fuel angle grinders. We've got two different options here. Which gives a brief run through.
Hi Steve, today we're going to have a look at firstly Milwaukee's class leading 125mm angle grinder and their new Rapidstop angle grinder. So we'll have a look at the M18 cordless grinder first. This grinder's been about for about 4 years now. It really did change the face of cordless grinding when it came out. They've employed their solid metal gearbox from the corded range, which is a big step up on a lot of the other cordless models you'll see. They're only a small, compact, maybe even only a 4.5 inch disc, not a 5 inch disc like these units are. This is coupled with their brushless motor, with their fuel brushless motor, which really is a high performing motor in itself, let alone coupled in an angle grinder. So they've really been able to cut the cord with their performance here and give you a genuine grinder rather than a small cut-off or finishing grinder that even Milwaukee had before, or all of the other competitors have at the moment. So it's just it's a beast of a grinder, and later on you'll see in our demo how well it really works. So.
Alright, so what does the Rapidstop bring to them?
It's a really great grinder for mine sites and construction sites essentially, as well as anybody who's a bit safety conscious to go along with it. So the Rapidstop has an electric brake inside the unit, which will stop the disc quicker than any other grinder on the market. So with the quarter grinder you may be looking at 10 or 12 seconds. The Milwaukee 5 inch grinder you'd be looking at 6 seconds. With the Rapidstop you're looking at 2 seconds. So we'll do a demo shortly and show you that. It is quite impressive how fast they stop. So both of these grinders have a paddle style dead man switch, which makes it compatible on all mine sites and all construction sites. So they've really given it they've opened up the market for themselves and not just pigeonholed them into one area of the market. So they're very good. So we'll do today's demo with the Rapidstop. We've got a Makita corded 5 inch grinder, and the Rapidstop and the traditional 5 inch grinder from Milwaukee, and we'll show you how fast Rapidstop genuinely works. So we've got the Rapidstop on the right, the standard 5 inch grinder in the middle, and then Steve's has the corded grinder. So, alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Stop. So as you can see, they're sticking a long way behind the other two.
Yes, big difference there, isn't there?
Yes, and it's almost instantaneous with the Rapidstop. The 5 inch cordless is a really good player in that. It's gone to 6 seconds, but the corded grinder, as you can see, just runs and runs and runs. So angle grinders account for a fair amount of accidents on work sites. So the ability for it to stop quickly if there is a drama or in this case someone is hurt, with the dead man switches, they're going to stop by themselves. You're not going to have to actually turn them off, and stopping quickly is going to minimise damage to themselves and damage to others. So.
Yep, and safety is a massive consideration going forward for all businesses.
Yeah.
Alright, can we put them to the test and see how they perform?
So our first demo today we're going to do with this is with a 5 inch grinding disc. Just show you the amount of material we can take away from the steel. So here we've got a piece of 5mm steel, and we'll show you how far it eats away pretty quick. So as you can see there, it's removed a large amount of material. And I could put a lot of weight on that tool, and there was no bogging down, no struggling with it like the previous units would, or that even cut out altogether. So it's a great tool for large metal removal, as well as polishing and finishing as well with a flap disc. So we'll put a cutting disc on now and show you how far it can actually just cut through.
it really well there, didn't they? That was a good showing.
Yeah, for sure. They've really put out a lot of power, and you can see in the grinding demo especially, you can put a lot of weight on them and not stall them out, so you can really get the job done. Over a long period of time, if you do heat the tools up, they will overload, and the RedLink intelligence will protect the tool from damage, but you can really push these grinders to get a lot of work done, just as you would with a normal quarter grinder.
One of the things I noticed as well on here is this little accessory we have on the front here. Tell us a bit about this.
So this is the Fixtec nut. This is Milwaukee's innovation that they've employed on the Rapidstop grinder, and is also accessory for their entire grinder range. It basically removes the hassle of having to have a pin tool to remove your grinding disc. So traditionally you'd have a pin tool which would then go in here and remove the nut that retains the discs on there. Milwaukee's basically done away with the pin tool with their new Fixtec nut. So just isolate this tool and show you the demo. So you just push and hold the lock button on the back, lift up the lever, and then just twist from there. And you can remove the disc one-handed. So that just gives the guys in the workshop and on site a lot of options too. You don't have to worry about where your pin tool is. Traditionally a lot of guys cable tie it to a power lead, but being cordless there's no option for that. You can't really store it on board with a cordless grinder, so this is a great option for people. And it also includes a safety slip clutch too, so once it's done up, if the tool gets under load and the disc jams for some reason, you can then slip the disc and this clutch will slip around inside there. So it is really a great safety item that you can retrofit to any device, and is relatively cost effective as well. So it's just a great accessory that Milwaukee has developed.
Yeah, and it's good to be toolless as well, isn't it? Now, it comes as an accessory. It's not standard with the normal fuel grinder, but it is standard with the Rapidstop, is that right?
Yeah, that's correct. It's the standard fitment with the Rapidstop, and that really completes their safety conscious system with the Rapidstop.
How about warranties? We're still looking good on the warranty side of things?
Yeah, warranty with all Milwaukee cordless products. You've got 5 years on the tool and 2 years with the battery. So they're really backing a product that they believe in, and it's great to give us as dealers a real firm belief that they're going to last the distance for our customers.
Excellent. Thank you. We hope you've enjoyed our demo today for the Milwaukee angle grinders. We'll see you next time.